Hi, this is Home's Guide. Hey there! Are you ready to take your video blogging to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best cameras for video blogging on the market. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, finding the right camera can make all the difference in the quality and impact of your content. We'll explore cameras that offer superior video quality, reliable autofocus, and excellent usability, ensuring you can focus on what matters most, creating engaging and professional-looking videos. From compact options ideal for travel to high-end cameras with advanced features, there's something here for every vlogger's needs. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's dive in. So check the link in the description below for more details and where to buy these fantastic cameras. Number 1. Saneen Digital Camera, a powerhouse designed for both photography and video blogging enthusiasts. Featuring stunning 4K video resolution and an impressive 64MP sensor, this camera ensures every shot is bursting with detail and clarity. Whether you're capturing landscapes in 4K or snapping high-resolution portraits, the Saneen Digital Camera delivers exceptional quality that stands out. One of its standout features is its versatility as a webcam, perfect for video calling and live streaming sessions. Simply connect it to your PC via USB and you're ready to go, making it a breeze to share your experiences in real time with friends and followers. Plus, the handy pause function allows seamless recording within the same file, eliminating the need for multiple takes. Navigating through settings and reviewing footage is effortless with the 4.0-inch touchscreen. This intuitive interface not only enhances user experience but also supports dual-lens functionality, making it easy to switch between front and rear cameras while vlogging or capturing selfies. For connectivity, the Saneen Digital Camera offers Wi-Fi and HDMI output options, ensuring quick sharing of photos and videos directly from your mobile devices or onto a larger screen for family viewings. It's designed with convenience in mind, compact yet packed with accessories including a 32GB SD card, a 3000 mAh battery for extended shooting sessions, and essential accessories like a lens hood and camera bag. With its robust build and comprehensive warranty coverage, including 12 months of warranty and 30 days no-hassle returns, the Saneen Digital Camera is not just a tool for capturing moments but a reliable companion for your creative journey. Discover why it's one of the best cameras for video blogging enthusiasts today. So check the link in the description below for more details. Number 2. Kimmeyer Video Camera Camcorder, a versatile companion ideal for capturing moments in stunning detail. This camcorder boasts full HD 1080p video resolution at 15 frames per second, ensuring crisp and clear footage. With a 24MP image resolution in JPEG format, every snapshot is vivid and high quality. Equipped with a 3.0-inch LCD that rotates 270 degrees, this camcorder offers flexibility in framing shots from various angles. Its 16x digital zoom allows you to zoom in on distant subjects without sacrificing image clarity. Designed for multifunctionality, the Kimmeyer camcorder supports a range of features including anti-shake technology for stable recordings, face capture for sharper portraits, and a beauty function to enhance facial features in real time. It also doubles as a webcam when connected to a computer, perfect for video calls or live streaming on platforms like YouTube. The pause function enables seamless video editing by allowing users to pause and resume recording without starting a new file. For extended recording sessions, the camcorder includes 2 NP-FP5 batteries, each providing up to 90 minutes of recording time on a full charge. It supports recording while charging, ensuring uninterrupted video capture for longer durations. Easily transfer your recordings via USB 2.0 or connect directly to a TV for instant playback using the included AV cable. Compatible with SD/SDHC cards up to 128GB, sold separately, it offers ample storage for your video blogging needs. Compact and lightweight, the Kimmeyer camcorder is designed for portability and ease of use. It features a standard tripod mount, enhancing stability during filming. Whether you're a budding videographer or a seasoned content creator, the Kimmeyer Video Camera Camcorder is your go-to choice for capturing life's moments with clarity and convenience. Number 3. Also, Video Camera YouTube Vlogging Camera Recorder excels as a versatile tool for video enthusiasts and beginners alike. Featuring an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures vivid, lifelike images at 30 frames per second in 1080p and 60 frames per second in 720p resolution, ensuring sharp clarity in every frame. Perfect for vlogging and selfies, its 3.0-inch 270-degree rotation screen allows for flexible shooting angles, accommodating various creative needs effortlessly. The inclusion of both built-in and external microphones enhances audio clarity and reduces background noise, ensuring pristine sound quality in recordings. A remote control further enhances usability, enabling users to capture moments seamlessly without disruption. Equipped with advanced features like face detection, smile capture, and anti-shake technology, this camcorder ensures professional quality videos with minimal effort. The pause function simplifies editing by allowing users to pause recording without creating a new file, facilitating smoother post-production workflows. Ideal for live streaming and video chatting, the webcam function transforms the camera into a PC cam mode when connected via USB, making it a versatile tool for content creators looking to engage with their audience directly. Included are two 3.7V 1500 mAh batteries, supporting uninterrupted recording sessions even while charging, ensuring no moment is missed during extended shoots. Whether you're diving into the world of vlogging or upgrading your content creation setup, the Ulson Video Camera YouTube vlogging camera recorder stands out as a reliable companion, delivering exceptional performance and versatility for all your video recording needs. Number 4. Xniracle 4K Video Camera Camcorder, a powerhouse designed for content creators looking to elevate their video blogging game. Boasting a 13-megapixel CMOS sensor and impressive 48.0MP image resolution, this camera delivers stunning Ultra HD 4K video quality. Its 3.0-inch touchscreen, with a flexible 270-degree rotation, ensures effortless framing and navigation through settings. Perfect for capturing dynamic shots, the camcorder features a foldable handheld stabilizer that keeps footage steady, ideal for low-angle filming and extending your reach. Equipped with advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and IR night vision, the Xniracle camcorder supports remote viewing and control via the Roadcam app on both Android and iOS devices. The infrared LED light enhances versatility by enabling clear black and white video capture in low-light conditions, perfect for nocturnal shooting sessions. Enhancing its usability further, this camcorder doubles as a webcam for seamless video chatting and live streaming when connected to a PC via USB. The addition of an external microphone ensures crystal-clear audio, adjustable for varying environments and distances, complementing its capabilities for professional-grade content creation. Additionally, the Xniracle camcorder includes thoughtful accessories like a lens hood for light control and protection, and a 2.4G wireless remote that operates from up to 60 feet away, even with the hood attached. Its feature-rich design supports anti-shake technology, time-lapse recording, slow motion, and continuous shooting. With support for up to 128GB SD cards, HDMI output, and compatibility with external LED lights and tripods, this camcorder is a versatile tool for videographers seeking reliability and performance. Number 5. VTech Video Camera 8K Camcorder, an advanced tool designed for video enthusiasts and vloggers alike. Featuring a cutting-edge 8K resolution capability at 15 frames per second, this camcorder delivers stunning clarity with 48.0MP image resolution, ensuring your videos capture every detail crisply and vividly. The 18x digital zoom and 3.0-inch rotatable touchscreen enhance flexibility, allowing you to shoot from various angles effortlessly. This versatile camera isn't just for shooting high-resolution videos, it doubles as a webcam for seamless video calls and live streaming when connected to your computer via USB. The built-in fill light and hot shoe mount make it easy to attach accessories like an external fill light, ensuring optimal lighting conditions in any environment. Additionally, its IR night vision capability enables clear video recording in low-light settings, expanding your creative possibilities day or night. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, the VTech camcorder supports remote control, image transfer, and sharing via mobile devices through its dedicated app. The external microphone with noise reduction function ensures clear audio capture by minimizing background noise, perfect for professional quality vlogs and interviews. It also supports advanced features like time-lapse, slow motion, and image stabilization, catering to diverse creative needs. Ideal for both amateurs and seasoned videographers, this camcorder supports up to 256GB SD cards and includes 2 batteries for extended shooting sessions. With HDMI TV output compatibility and additional features like continuous shooting and beauty mode, the VTech Video Camera 8K camcorder is not just a tool but a gateway to capturing and sharing memorable moments with unparalleled clarity and detail. In conclusion, choosing the best camera for video blogging depends on your specific needs, whether it's crisp image quality, reliable autofocus, or seamless connectivity. From the versatile Sony ZV-1 to the robust Canon EOS R5, each camera offers unique features to enhance your vlogging experience. Remember to consider factors like portability, audio quality, and low-light performance to find the perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with fellow vloggers. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tips to level up your video content creation journey.